His soldier rushed out of the palace gate, caught the officer, and took him to the Sultan within a moment. When the officer knelt before the Sultan, he was trembling with fear. Now, knelt means he got down on his knees, and trembling with fear means he was shaking involuntarily. He was filled with fear. He was afraid. But he mustered all his courage and explained why he had given the call for azan. Mustered means he gathered. Then, with shaking hands, he gave the summon to the Sultan. Sultan Ghiyasuddin took it without making any comments. He read the summon and told the officer to go back to the Qazi. He announced that he would appear in the Qazi's court the next day. The next morning, the Sultan got ready to appear before the Qazi. He hid a sharp sword in his robe and set out. The courtroom was packed with people. Everyone was eager to see what would happen. The Qazi entered and took his place on the high seat of honor. In a little while, Sultan Ghiyasuddin entered the courtroom. Everyone stood up to show respect to the Sultan. But the Qazi did not get up. The Sultan stood in the docks and the trial began. Now, to stood in the docks means in an enclosed space in the court of law for the accused person. The widow presented her complaint. The Qazi took note of all the evidence and in grave voice addressed the Sultan. Evidence means the information given in the court to prove something. In a grave voice means serious. You are guilty of causing the death of the only son of this poor widow. According to the law, you must pay a fine for this offense. Offense means crime or a wrong deed. I order you to do that without delay. The Sultan accepted the judgment and apologized to the widow. He arranged to pay the fine immediately. The widow felt satisfied that the offense was brought home to the offender. Offender means who is a person who has done something wrong or illegal. When the case was over, the Qazi got up from his high seat of honor. Respectfully, he bowed to the Sultan and requested him to take his seat. The Sultan then removed the hidden sword from his robes and told the Qazi, I am happy that you did not waver in your duty. Waver means hesitate or you was to become unsure. You did not hesitate to punish me. Otherwise, I would have beheaded you with this sword. The Qazi then put his hand under the cushion where the Sultan was seated and brought out a whip. Whip means a strip of leather used for beating a person. He said, Your Majesty, I am happy because you obey the law. Otherwise, I would have whipped you in this court. The Sultan then got up and embraced the Qazi. Thank God, we both did our duty, he said. Everyone present in the courtroom praised the two great men. So, children, isn't it an interesting story about a Sultan Ghiyasuddin? Thank you.